Okay, first she had water, next she had the dish soap or dish liquid, I don't know what, very okay, and then oil. I guess that's vegetable oil. What else? Stir it with a fork. Stir, 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 stir. Then what else? What else? Okay, we're flipping our nails. I'll soak it for 5 minutes. Oh, literally popped off. Wow, we're trying this. I'm still trying this. Let's go try. Oh, I'm trying this out. Let's try this out. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite YouTube auntie Adora, and then let's just get right into the video. So I made this acrylic nail sometime back in December, early December, before Christmas, and it grew out. I made another one. I did a refill, and then this is it. So now we're just going to get right into the video. This is a vegetable oil. We don't have Dawn. I couldn't find Dawn actually. I don't know if we have Dawn in our local stores in Nigeria, but we use Morning Fresh. That's our staple here. And then I threw in some nail dissolver just for uncertainty's sake, in case. So I had a little bit of cold water in this bowl before. Now I'm just going to add the boiling water to make it a little bit warm, not lukewarm, but like somewhere in between. Not very hot that it's scratches your skin or something. And then we're throwing our Morning Fresh, our vegetable oil, and we're just going to stir that together. A few moments later. So at this point, I was trying to see if it was going to pop off. It wasn't loose. In fact, it was snug. It was as snug as F on my nails. This was almost after almost like 30 minutes of soaking my nails in this mixture. It wasn't coming off. So as creative as I am, yeah, okay, the thing is, I just decided to give this thing the benefit of the doubt and add some of the extra strength nail dissolver in the water and see if it was going to make any difference. So
race, every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
at this point, guys, I was tired and exhausted from doing this. My skin felt too soft, almost like an old woman's skin, very wrinkled, and it wasn't working. This was the third try and I spent almost an hour in total, and I tried too hard to pop. In fact, I almost ripped my nail off to not do this, but it still didn't work. It was a fail, guys. It did not work. But my take on this, I think maybe your nail has to lift a little bit at the base for this to work. I do not know. I don't know if it's because I used Morning Fresh. I don't know if the water was not hot enough or too cold. I don't know what happened. But if you tried this before and you have an idea, please tell me what you think I did wrong, or I don't even know. So we could try it in another video. But review, this was a fail. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like my video, share, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my video. I love you guys. I remain your favorite YouTube auntie Adora. Bye.